What if I told you that most millionaires don't drive Ferraris? They drive used cars. Not Lamborghinis, not Rolex watches, not luxury mansions. In fact, if you passed a real millionaire on the street, you probably wouldn't notice them at all. Today we're breaking down 7 shocking lessons from the Millionaire Next Door. And the final lesson is so counterintuitive that it explains why flashy people often stay broke forever. You do not want to miss the last one. Let's go. Lesson 1. Real millionaires live below their means. This is the foundation of the entire book. Real wealth is built by spending less than you earn, consistently. Most people increase their lifestyle every time their income goes up. Bigger house, better car, more expensive vacations. Millionaires do the opposite. They control lifestyle inflation, they budget, they track spending. Not because they're cheap, but because they understand one rule. Money not spent is money that can be invested. This single habit separates wealthy people from everyone else. Lesson 2. Most millionaires are not high-income earners. This one shocks people. Many millionaires are teachers, engineers, small business owners, accountants, middle managers. They're not celebrities, they're not pro athletes, they're not viral entrepreneurs. They became wealthy slowly through steady income, long-term investing, smart financial decisions. The lesson: you don't need an extraordinary income to build wealth, just extraordinary discipline. Lesson 3. Wealth is invisible, spending is loud. Here's a hard truth: you can't see wealth, but you can see spending. Luxury cars, designer clothes, and huge houses are visible. Savings, investments, and paid-off assets are invisible. That's why many people mistake spenders for wealthy people. But the book shows us, the person trying to look rich usually isn't. True millionaires don't need to prove anything. Their bank account already did the work. Lesson 4. Most millionaires drive boring, practical cars. Let's talk about the used cars. According to the research in the Millionaire Next Door, most millionaires buy used cars. They keep them for many years. They avoid expensive upgrades. Why? Because cars are depreciating assets. They lose value every single year. Millionaires would rather invest that money into businesses, stocks, real estate, instead of parking their wealth in a driveway. The takeaway: a fancy car might impress people, but it delays financial freedom. Lesson 5. Millionaires are extremely intentional with time and money. Millionaires don't wing it with finances. They plan their spending, their investing, their goals. They know exactly how much they earn, how much they save, where their money goes. This doesn't mean they don't enjoy life. It means they prioritize long-term freedom over short-term pleasure. They ask, will this expense improve my life or just my image? That question alone can save you hundreds of thousands of dollars over time. Lesson 6. Teaching financial independence matters more than giving money. Another powerful insight from the book: millionaires don't usually spoil their children with money. Instead, they teach responsibility, work ethic, financial discipline. Why? Because giving too much money too early can destroy ambition. Many wealthy families lose everything by the 3rd generation, not because of bad luck, but because values weren't passed down. True wealth isn't just money, it's mindset. Lesson 7. Millionaires take calculated risks, not wild gambles. This is where many people go wrong. They think millionaires are risk addicts, big gamblers, all-in thinkers. But real millionaires are risk managers. They diversify investments, avoid debt traps, prepare for worst-case scenarios. They don't chase get-rich-quick schemes. They play long-term, boring, repeatable strategies. And now, it's time for the mystery lesson, the one most people never see coming. Final mystery lesson, waited until the end. Here it is. Millionaires care more about independence than luxury. They don't chase status, validation, approval. They chase control over their time. The ability to say no, financial peace of mind. That's the real secret. Not cars, not clothes, not mansions. The ultimate luxury is freedom. And that's why the Millionaire Next Door looks so ordinary. Final wrap-up and call to action. So let's recap the 7 lessons from the Millionaire Next Door. Live below your means. You don't need a huge income to be wealthy. Wealth is invisible, spending is loud. Millionaires drive practical cars. They plan every dollar. They pass down values. Not just money. They choose independence over luxury. If this video changed how you think about money, even a little, hit like, subscribe for more powerful book summaries. Turn on notifications.